Let's talk about State Farm Drive Safe and Save. We've been using it for about 1 year, and we have 2 vehicles for our family, and we drive quite a bit. We installed the 2 devices on each of our windshields, and then it connects through an app on your phone. It monitors what you do as you drive, and it has saved us approximately $40 a month on our rates. So let me go through the details of it and talk about how it actually works. I've been with State Farm pretty much all my life, and I have always liked their insurance and the way that they have treated me, so joining this program just seemed to make sense. You see here we're saving about $40 a month, and what it measures, the device in your car connects to your phone, so you have to have a smartphone, you have to have your data, it's going to use data, you have to connect with Bluetooth, and it measures different categories. So the first is braking, and for each of these it gives you a score based on how it regards your driving. If you brake too fast, you get a little ding on your score. So our combined score for the past few weeks is a 91 on braking. Acceleration then is your recklessness in terms of speeding up, and for the last 14 days we have scored perfectly on acceleration, so that's a good mark on our record there. Overall speed then is the third category, and for speed we've scored a 91. I'm guessing if you're somewhere in the category of 4 to 7 miles over, you're okay. Cornering then is how fast you're turning, obviously, and pretty good score for us there. And then phone distraction is another one that it adds. And our phone distraction score is, well, a 78. I don't know how we got a 78 on phone distraction. But anyway, again, we're using 2 vehicles right now, and our combined savings is about $40 a month. Each trip that you make, it maps it, and then it shows you your score for each one. It will actually show you on the map where you had a fault, if there were any. And something else that it adds, you can change who was driving. And if you are the driver and say someone else used your phone, then you can change that and make it set so that it takes that off of you. So it's not actually a problem. Again, State Farm says they're not going to use your information for other things, and to me, you have to trust them. If you can't trust your insurance company, then you need to find a new one. So final thoughts on the Drive Safe and Save program is, as long as it's working in our favor, we'll do it. And you've got to trust your insurance company. You've got to trust that they are a good part of this, that they're not going to stab you in the back. And I think that's the case. And so we're going to continue to try the program and hope that it continues to save us money. So thanks for watching.